It's a common problem where you see the drawer in your fridge gets cracked, and the replacement on these things is outrageous. This fridge was a very inexpensive fridge, and one of these drawers is $83 to replace it. So I'm going to show you my quick fix to repairing this. So I've got a piece of PVC here. This is molding that you can buy from Home Depot. So it's usually used for trim. And I cut it to length, and I'm going to take and adhere it to the drawer to kind of bring everything back together. And I might try a little epoxy on the crack, but most of the time that's not going to hold. And I think I'm going to mechanically fasten this thing to the back side here and drive a couple sheet metal screws through the back side here to fashion that, and then that should prevent it from cracking anymore. And for now, it'll save me my $83 there. So I'm going to use a little bit of this JB Weld epoxy. I don't know that it'll really bond that very well, but I'm going to put a little bit in there. I'm going to tape it off so I get a nice clean line, and then I got a couple screws to affix this to the back side of that thing, and we'll see how that works out. Found I needed a little bit more room, so I'm going to put these 1/4-inch washers on this thing to kind of give me a little bit more space. Alright, so I'm going to tape this off. I'm going to try the epoxy. I don't think epoxy, although I'm sure these are fine products, they don't seem to hold plastic real well, so I'm going to try and glue it. So I don't think the epoxy is going to hold, but I tried to clean it up as best I can. There you can see 4 sheet metal screws with washers to hold it. We'll see how that dries. So this is the end of the repair here. Again, I have very little faith in the epoxy here holding, but we'll try that. And the hope is that that piece of PVC is going to reinforce this thing. Well, that way it looks from the front, it looks okay, but there you go.